Starting question number one. In English literature, Mukesh starts a zoo. It says, how did Mukesh get the idea of having a zoo of his own? So write the answer and write fast, children, okay? Answer number one. Mukesh visited a zoo. Start writing. Mukesh visited a zoo in Delhi. Mukesh visited a zoo in Delhi with his parents. With his parents. Mukesh visited a zoo in Delhi with his parents. Full stop. There he was. There he was. THERE. There he was fascinated. There he was fascinated. I'm telling the spelling also. FASCINATED. FASCINATED. There he was fascinated by colorful birds. By colorful birds. Mute your mic, children, and pay attention what I'm saying and write fast. There he was fascinated by colorful birds, comma, reptiles, reptiles, comma, gibbons, 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 and elephants, and elephants. Full stop. There was there was no zoo. There was no zoo. There was no zoo in Dehra. In Dehra. 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 There was no zoo in Dehra. 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 A small town. A small town. There was no zoo in Dehra, a small town, where he lived. Where he lived. Full stop. So he decided. So he decided that. So he decided that he would have a so he decided that he would have a zoo of his own. He would have a zoo of his own. Why Hania is not writing? Hania, why you are not writing? I want everybody to write the answers, otherwise I will remove you from the class. If you don't want to write and you just want to sit, I'm going to remove you. I'm looking at everybody. I am looking at everybody. I want everybody's hands working. And on your camera. Nobody will sit with camera off. I will cancel the class right now. I'm repeating the whole answer again. Mukesh visited a zoo in Delhi with his parents. Full stop. There he was fascinated by colorful birds, reptiles, reptiles, gibbons, and various animals like lions, tigers, and elephants. Full stop. There was no zoo in Dehra, a small town where he lived. Full stop. So he decided, so he decided that he would have a zoo of his own. So he decided that he would have a zoo of his own. Answer is finished. Answer number 2. Now answer number 2. Copy question number 2 first. Question 2 is saying, what was the first creature to be picked for the zoo? How was it trapped? You have to copy question number 2.